Hi sweeties, welcome to my channel, and today we're making this cute clover-like charm keychain. Even if you're new to crochet, don't worry, this project is perfect for absolute beginners, so grab your yarn, hook, and let's begin. Here are the list of materials you'll need for this project. We start our work with a magic ring. Grab your yarn, wrap it around your pinky, around your index finger, and around your middle finger, forming an X. Hold it here with your thumb, grab your hook, and insert your hook into the ring on your finger like that. And now we need to pull this yarn through the loop. To do this, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on your finger. And that's it, this is your magic ring, and we can start working with the pattern. Now we start our first sleeve with 3 chain stitches. To make a chain, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This is your first chain. Let's make the second one. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook, 2, and third one. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. We have our first 3 chain stitches, and now we can start our triple crochet. We will make 3 of them. To make triple crochet, yarn over the hook twice. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Hold it here and insert your hook into the ring. You will have 4 loops on the hook. And now we need to pull this yarn through our ring through the first loop. Grab your yarn and pull it through the ring. You will have 4 loops on the hook again, and in triple crochet we pull this yarn through 2 loops each time. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Now we pull this yarn through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook, and we pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that's how our triple crochet works. And we need to make 2 more triple crochet stitches. Let's make them together. Yarn over the hook twice. You have 3 loops on the hook. Hold it here. Insert your hook into the ring. You will have 4 loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull it through the ring. You have 4 loops on the hook. And after you pull the yarn through the ring, you pull this yarn through 2 loops each time. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that's our second triple crochet. Let's make the third one. Yarn over the hook twice. Hold it here. Insert your hook into the ring. Grab your yarn, pull it through the ring, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And this is our third triple crochet. Now we need to make 3 chain stitches again. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, first chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, second chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, third chain. And we have 3 chain stitches here. And to finish our first leaf, we need to make slip stitch into the ring. To make slip stitch into the ring, insert your hook into the ring like that, and we need to pull this yarn through both loops on the hook at the same time. Grab your yarn, pull it through the ring first, like that. Now I recommend you to hold your leaf here and pull the yarn through the second loop, like that. And we need to tie it by pulling this yarn up. And we tied our first leaf. We continue working with the second leaf with the same pattern. We start with 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and now 3 triple crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull it through the ring, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2. First triple crochet, yarn over the hook twice, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull it through the ring, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Second triple crochet, and the last one. Yarn over the hook twice, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull it through the first loop only, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And now we need to make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and to finish our second leaf we make slip stitch into the ring. Insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull it through the ring, hold your leaf and pull through the next loop, and tie it by pulling this yarn up. And this is our second leaf, and we need to make 2 more leaves like that into the ring with the same pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of the 4th leaf. I finished my last 4th leaf, and it's time to tie our work. Find the end of the yarn and just pull it like that, and tie our leaves. Something like this. And we will work with the stem now. For the stem, we start with 7 chain stitches, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 chain stitches now, and we will skip our first stitch first from the hook. As you can see here, this one we skip it and we will work into the second chain we have. So skip this one and insert the hook into the second one, just like this, and we make single crochet. You have 2 loops on the hook. Now grab your yarn and pull through the first loop only. You have 2 loops on the hook again, and we pull this yarn through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This is our single crochet. And now we will make 6 slip stitches 5 slip stitches on the stem and 6 one in the middle into our ring. Find your next chain here after single crochet and insert your hook into it. You have 2 loops on the hook and we make slip stitch. We pull this yarn through both loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull it through the first loop and through the second one. This is our first slip stitch. Find your next chain, insert your hook into it and make another slip stitch. Grab your yarn, pull it through the first loop and through the second one. 2. The next one, into the chain, grab your yarn, pull through both loops. Third one, and let's make 2 more. So we have 5 slip stitches into our stem, and to finish it, find the middle of our work and insert your hook here like this on the other side. Now grab your yarn and pull it through the middle like this and through the loop on your hook, and tighten by pulling this yarn up. Now we can cut this yarn and pull it off the hook and tighten it a little bit more. And now I'll show you how to hide the ends. Hide the ends is really simple. Grab your darning needle, insert your yarn into it, and we need to find closest place on the stem near our yarn here. I will choose this place right here and just go on the other side like this. So I just pull my yarn on the other side when my another part of the yarn attached. As you can see, both parts of the yarn here, and I will tie a knot with these 2 ends now. And cut it. And that's it, our Clover Lucky Charm keychain is finished. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me today. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!